all, Neld Solomam. If you are watching this video, it means you are thinking seriously, not just about dating a Filipina but possibly building a life with one. And before you do that, before you fall too deep, before emotions take control, you need to understand the discovery process. Because love without discovery is not love. It is hope without information, and hope has destroyed more men than hate ever did. What the discovery process really means. Discovery is not interrogation. It is observation over time. It means watching behavior when there is nothing to gain, listening when she speaks without being asked, seeing how she reacts when things are delayed. Discovery is when no money is flowing, no promises are made, no rescue is happening. This is where truth lives. Most foreign men skip discovery because they are tired, they are older, they fear starting over, they don't want to be alone again. Many come from divorce, dead bedrooms, disrespect, emotional neglect. So when a Filipina shows attention, softness, care, appreciation, the heart says, don't lose this. But the heart does not protect you. As a Filipina woman, let me explain something without shame. In many Filipino households, security is survival, stability is love, opportunity is responsibility. Some women are taught, if a good chance comes, don't let it go. This doesn't mean deception, but it does mean urgency. When her urgency meets your loneliness, mistakes happen. That is why discovery is not optional. Let's look at some discovery process. Discovery number 1. Money behavior. Do not focus on how much she has. Focus on how she handles lack, how she speaks about money. How often money appears in conversation, red flags during discovery, emergency stories too early, family problems that need you, thirst connected to finances, guilt-based requests. Love does not arrive with invoices. Discovery number 2. Family dynamics. You are not only discovering her, you are discovering who influences her, who depends on her, who expects from her, who already sees you as support. Important question. Does she protect boundaries or does she surrender to pressure? If she cannot say no to family, she will never say no for you. Discovery number 3. Emotional regulation. What's her when you delay plans? You say not now. You disagree calmly. Does she sulk, withdraw affection, create drama, use silence as punishment? Or does she communicate, respect peace, stay consistent? Emotional instability hidden by sweetness is still instability. Discovery number 4. Her history without pressure. Do not interrogate her past. Let time reveal how she talks about exists, whether she takes accountability, whether she sees herself only as victim. A woman with no accountability will eventually blame you. Why time is your strongest best friend? Time reveals what words hide. Time shows patterns, consistency, true intentions. If affection fades when money stops, promises slow, boundaries appear, then discovery just saves you years of pain. Marriage without discovery, hard truth. Marriage does not fix uncertainty. Marriage magnifies it. Men who skip discovery later say, she changed. Her family took over. I didn't see this coming. No, you just didn't wait long enough. As a Filipina woman, a woman who truly loves you well, respect your pace, accept discovery, stay consistent without reward, a woman who pressures you is not discovering you. She is discovering what she can extract. If love cannot survive discovery, it was never love. I'm Nell Solomon. I'm going and do some discovery myself. See you next episode.